What is your will, my master?
Hey, what's up, man? Quick demo video for you for your Mercury Saber by TJ Wells over at Ignition Saber Company. This was etched and then wrapped right here by TJ, and then it was powder coated by Christopher Royal over at Royal Custom Armory, and then I just did the install. Got your switch today. I know you're very excited to get this, like very excited to get this as quickly as possible. Anyway, so got this all done. How you get to everything is you want to take this screw out right here. So that's what we're going to do. This is installed with a CFX NeoPixel. You've got CC Sabers in there for your main PCB. So we'll take that one screw out, and then you can just take the handle and pop it out just like that. You've got a 28mm Smuggler's Outpost Elite speaker here. Removable setup, or I'm sorry, a removable battery setup. This is the chassis that comes with this Saber, and it's by TJ. So spring side over here for the negative side of your battery, and then when you flip up this door, you'll see your CFX board right there. So easy access to your SD card and everything like that. And then this just snaps back down into place. It just has the stock font configuration on it, and then you'll need to put on whatever fonts that you want to put on. But it is set up for NeoPixel. And we'll throw a battery in right now and go over it. So when you put that battery in, we're just going to take the handle and slide it on. When you get to this gold greebly right here, what you want to do is just push down on that a little bit so that it can get past the handle, and then it slides on just like that. And then we'll take the screw and we'll lock the handle back down so that we can go ahead and we can demo this guy. So on your switch, your front switch is going to be your activation. That'll wake the board up. So your front switch will be your activation. You got your LEDs firing through there and that good shine through. This is plenty loud. Back switch is your auxiliary down here. You hold it down for blade lockup. We'll turn it off and we'll throw a blade in the sky real quick. It takes a 1-inch diameter NeoPixel blade. And it slides right in there, but you'll need to lock it down. So you got 2 set screws on this guy. Your top one is for your blade retention, which is right here. That's the one you want to tighten up, but do not mess with this one. That is your PCB holder. A good flash on flash. Blaster mode deflex. And then hold it down for blade lockup. Now I've got this set up to where if you want to change color, just hold down your aux and twist your wrist like that, and now you can just cycle through different colors. And of course you can add more colors to the config file if you want to. And if we want that blue, we'll just hit power. So now we got a blue blade. Hold down aux until you hear this to change sound fonts.
Sound bank selection. 94. Crystal focus.
So just cycling through the button.
Crystal focus.
Nebula. Nebula.
When you find one you like, hold a button down. just like that. And then we'll go ahead and take the blade out of this guy and go over taking the battery out, which is super easy to do. You get the right Allen key. This Saber comes with a set of 3 Allen keys that will be sent to you with the Saber. All right, so we'll come back over here and we'll take this screw out again so that we can take the handle off. Pull the handle right off, just like that. And then you can just come over here and snatch the battery out, just like that. And that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to put the handle back on to protect the chassis. And that is pretty much your Saber. Let me know if you got any questions. If not, this guy will go out in the mail tomorrow morning. All right, thanks.